Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Treseys with Treseysworld, and today I have a soberistic video just for you. I know I've been kind of veering off doing other type of videos, but today we're doing a soberistic video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back. Listen, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Turn on those notifications so you know when I post a new video. And leave us a comment if you're enjoying the videos. Go over to Instagram at Soberistic and tag us in your photos of your soberistic drinks, because I'm so looking forward to enjoying your drinks, okay? And trying your drinks. Today is very simple. Very easy. As you can see, we are ready for Love Day, V-Day, Valentine's Day. Every day should be Valentine's Day if you're with the one you love, but you know, we do celebrate it one time a year. Once a year, we celebrate Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do several videos, more than one video, with some drinks you can make in time for Valentine's Day or something easy you can do, okay? But if you want to keep it soberistic, meaning alcohol free, then you definitely want to watch this video in its entirety. Very simple today. I'm going to show y'all something and y'all gonna be like, what? Is that easy? It's that easy. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna take these infused ice cubes. They're already ready to go. If you drink spirits, you use gin, possibly, or whatever you want to, but that's the suggestion on the boxes to use gin. So that's what you can use. We're not using it because we keep it soberistic, which means we ain't add no alcohol to our stuff, okay? We ain't gonna add that to our drinks, all right? But these are infused ice cubes, cocktail mixer, the Oliver. These are herb and lose. Is it her? It's herb. It's food, but herb and lose. Infused ice cubes, made in USA. Okay. Now I'm just trying this. Never tried it before. I'm gonna try it today. We are going to be using our seed lip in place of the spirits. Okay, this is our spirit. Okay, made botanical, non-alcoholic spirit. Okay, all right. So we're gonna take a glass, which we have here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add. Now I don't know if it tells you specifically how much to do. So I'm gonna add the non-alcoholic spirit first, the seed lip. Let's see. I haven't opened this for a minute, so it's tight. Oh Lord. All right. Ooh, seed lip has a really distinct smell. I'm telling you guys, if you don't like the smell, you ain't gonna like the smell. You ain't gonna like the smell. I can tell you right now. It smells like vinegar and flour. I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it, but it does have a distinct smell. But anyways, we're just gonna put a little bit. We're gonna put it in there. I know y'all saying how much. Listen, I keep telling y'all, you do according to your taste buds, okay? Your taste buds. All right, but I think that's probably about a little over 2 ounces, just from what I know. Now I hope y'all can see everything, because I do have a lot of stuff up here. Tell y'all what, let's move this cuteness out the way. And so y'all can see, especially this. All right, y'all. So we're moving some of our decorations out of the way. Ha! Well, they out the way, huh? They fell. All right, so Y'all ready? All right, so I poured about 2 ounces, maybe a little bit more of seedlip. I don't even think I did that much. Anyways, that's what I put in there. Now we're gonna drop our infused cube in there and we're gonna let it mix. Hopefully it comes out because they've been in the freezer for a minute. Ooh, well there you go. Oh, it's in there. Go let that mix. Y'all see my face. Okay. All right. And then we'll see if we need to tweak it. You know, we may need to add something to it and make it right for us. You know what I'm saying? I've never done this one, so we're doing this together. All right. That doesn't look like a lot, but we'll kind of let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Oh my God. Let it go. All right. Since this is meant for like a small amount, a shot, we're not going to put any more than this. I'm just showing y'all. Y'all see this cute little straw? Valentine's Day, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what y'all can do. If you have a cocktail shaker, you can also put the cube in the shaker and just shake it up. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. All right? So I'm just stirring it around. We might need to put a little bit more of our seedlip in there, but I don't like putting too much of that because seedlip is very distinctive. It does, you know, like I said, it does replace the alcohol, but it is very distinctive, okay? Let me see. Not too bad. Okay. Now, if you want to just leave it, leave it. But y'all know how we do this. Y'all know we're going to put our own flavor into this. So now we got our infused ice cube in there, and we got our seedlip. We got that in there, right? So y'all know I won't go leave it alone. I just cannot leave it alone. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of grenadine. We're just gonna put a little sprinkle of this. It's just to give it a little, you know, sweeten it up just a smidge. Okay, that's it. That's all we're gonna put in there. This is good by itself. This is actually good by itself. I just took a little sip and it's pretty good. This is good by itself. You really don't have to put anything else. You're gonna taste the seedlip, but you also taste all the other stuff, the infused ice cubes and the grenadine. And you just taste everything. It's just like, but we're gonna add a little bit something else because we can't be done with it yet, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit of Sprite. Just a hint. Just enough. All right, so let's do that. All right. You can add ice too if you need to. Although that's an ice cube, but if you need to, do what you gotta do. That's about it. Y'all, look at this. Valentine's Day, guys and ladies and gents, men and women, everybody. This is it. This is all you gotta do. This is it. This is it. This is it. Y'all, come on. Now, y'all can do this. And then, look, you put the cute little heart straw in there. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. Y'all see that? Okay, we're going to let it have its moment. Y'all know how we do. Let me step away. Let it do its thing. Okay, guys. Y'all know y'all ready. The ice cube has had some time to infuse, and this is what we have. We have this very beautiful drink. Look at the color. It is very red. And time for V-Day, Valentine's Day. If you don't celebrate it, you still can have this drink. If you celebrate it, happy Valentine's Day. But this is so good. It's gonna be so good, I can tell. All right, so now it's time to taste and see. Woo! Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. You can put ice in here if you want. You don't need to, but y'all, this is so good. This busting. This is so good. Like, this is so good, y'all. Like, Mmm. It's very soberistic. Mmm. It's like refreshing, but you just taste everything. Like, this is a drink where you literally taste everything, and it's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like you can taste everything separately, but it also works together collectively. Like, you can taste it all, but you can, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my, I love this. Mm-hmm. It's really good. It's really, really good. So recap, we used an infused ice cube by Herb and Luz. Okay. We used we used some seed lip, about 2 ounces, give or take. We used some Sprite, about 2 ounces, give or take. We used a splash of grenadine, and that's it. This drink is very good. It's very easy to make. That's it. That's it. We tasted, we saw, we drank, and it's over. Unless you want to make some more, which you can do. This is really good. I mean, we just threw this cute little straw in there. It's a heart straw. Make it look really cute. You can throw in maybe an umbrella if you want, or cherries, or whatever fruits you want to throw in there. We just did this up really quick. Valentine's Day, you know, you want to make some drinks, have them ready, you know. I think this is an awesome idea. So make sure you guys try it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. And we're going to get some more drinks in time for Valentine's Day, which is a few days away. So I'm going to do another video. I'm going to keep the same get up on the next video. I'm going to shoot it today, actually, so that you guys will have some options, okay? You'll have options for Valentine's Day to make your drink, and you can still keep it soberistic, but you can still be, you know, sociable, all right? So thank you guys so much for watching this video and all the videos. Please go and watch these videos, the soberistic videos, the vlogs, Treseysworld, a day in my life vlog. Go ahead and watch those. Go ahead and watch these drinks. Go ahead and watch whatever it's on the channel. Just go ahead and take a look at it. I appreciate you guys. We're almost at our goal. Like, I wanted to get to 2,000 subscribers by, I actually said by March. It's happening a lot sooner, I believe, than I anticipated. I really want to get to 2,000 subscribers by March. We pushing for 5,000, but we're going to try to hit this 2,000 mark and just keep growing. And we're growing and we're growing because of you. Please share our videos. Please tell somebody to watch us. You watch us too, okay? And I thank you so much. I'm so blessed that you guys just take the time out to watch the videos. Make sure you comment. I want to hear from you. I want to know where you are, like what city you're in, what kind of drinks you like, that type of thing. Let's talk. Let's chat. Okay. All right. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And you know what's next. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. Okay. Bye.